Hello everybody. I am now going on to part 3 of the Global Studies Orientation, where we'll talk about the weekly quiz. So you will find the weekly quiz under, we've got a weekly quiz, and every week you'll get all the questions ahead of time, and you'll find those questions under the modules tab or under this week, and it's part of the weekly modules. Now I recommend that you print these out right at the beginning of the week before you do any of the readings or anything, because as you're going through the readings you can answer these questions as you go through. Now the questions themselves are based on the articles that I assign. That's what I call the text. Any websites that I happen to assign, lectures, and other assigned materials. And I'll always say in the materials whether things are required, which means you'll probably find it on the quiz, or optional, which means it won't be on the quiz and you can read it if it's something that's interesting to you. Now, there's no need to turn in these quiz preparation questions. Those are just for your own edification and to help you know that you're ready for the actual quiz. Now, to take the quiz, you'll first have to find it, and you can find it along with the quiz preparation questions under the modules link, or you can go straight to quizzes, or you'll always see it in your task list on the dashboard in Canvas, showing you the things that you have coming up that are due. Now it's only open for a limited time. It becomes available at 6 a.m. on Wednesdays, and it's due at midnight on Saturdays. And if you miss that window of Wednesday to Saturday, the quiz is missed. You cannot make it up. You cannot take it later unless you have requested a late pass in a timely manner. And I'll talk more about late passes in the syllabus section. So it's only worth 10 points. So if you miss it, it's not, a tragic deal, but you do want to make sure that you get in there from Wednesday to Saturday to take the quiz. You can take the quiz twice and you'll get the highest grade. Now, of course, it's open book, open note. This is an online class, so I'm not going to try to restrict you in any way. Now, again, the questions are completely based on the readings. I'm not trying to trick you. I'm not trying to make this hard for you. In fact, I'm doing everything that I can to make the quiz as easy as possible. Now, there's lots of things in this class in which I want you to do critical thinking and really look at every side of an issue. The quiz is not, however, one of those areas. It's just simply based on what you read. I just want to know that you've done the reading and that you've understood it, and that's what I'm trying to glean from the quiz. So I'm not trying to trick you. If the answer seems right, it probably is, okay? And you'll see the results instantly in the gradebook. So if you have technical problems, you can't access the quiz, inevitably that's my fault. I probably forgot to post something or forgot to make it available at the right time. Please just send me an email and I will fix that. If you have computer trouble during the quiz and while you're taking it your computer craps out or whatever, let me know again and I'll give you another attempt. But I'll only do that within reason. If you keep asking for attempts, I might ask you to start taking the quiz someplace else with a more reliable computer. If Canvas is down, which pretty much never happens, I've been using Canvas for over a year and it's never gone down. So I don't expect it to go down, but if by sudden bizarre chance it does, again, let me know, and I will take into consideration how long it's down and may extend the deadline for the quiz. If it just impacts you personally, like you only had a small window of time that you could take the quiz and Canvas being down made you lose it, I will take that in consideration and may give you personally extended time. If it's down for a long time, and this goes with any assignment, if Canvas is down for over half of a day, I will extend the deadlines so that everybody has the appropriate amount of time to work on the class. So don't worry that technical problems in this sense will permanently harm you. So that's the end of this section on the quizzes, and next we'll go on to talk about the weekly essay.